You can see the sequence. After that we will talk about magnesium and aluminium. ये जो magnesium aluminium दिख रहे हैं आपको, magnesium aluminium will not catch fire in room temperature because they will not get react with oxygen in air because of their less reactivity as compared to sodium and calcium. Again I will tell you about magnesium and aluminium. We are on magnesium and aluminium metals. Pay attention. Magnesium and aluminium metals can be burned only by heating. अगर आप हीट करते हो तो ही वो बर्न होंगे, otherwise they will not burn. By sodium and calcium, about sodium and calcium, you can see here they can catch fire in open air. Sodium burns in oxygen with an orange flame to produce a white solid mixture of sodium oxide and sodium peroxide. ये हमें देखना है रिएक्शन क्या है वो, ये डायग्राम की तरफ से ध्यान दीजिए. If you will keep sodium or potassium in air, it will catch fire because of oxidation process. It will react with oxygen and it will catch fire. But if we will talk about this magnesium and aluminium, they will not catch fire because of their less reactivity as compared to sodium and calcium. Okay, then when they will burn, they can burn only by strong heating. We are talking about these two. They can burn only by strong, only by heating. I'm talking about only by heating. अगर आपने सिर्फ उनको हीट किया तो they will start to burn. Now this is the carbon and carbon is not the metal, so we will not talk about it right now. This is the non-metal. We will talk about it afterwards. Now come towards the zinc metal. About zinc metal, zinc burns only on strong heating. Sequence देखना है आपको. Zinc burns only on strong heating, while iron, we will talk about iron. Have you seen two iron blocks or iron rods have burned by strong heating? कभी देखा है आपने हीट किया और वो बर्न हो गए iron block और iron rod? No, never. It will not be happen. Yes, iron can burn, but in the form of iron fillings. Please keep this thing in mind. Iron burn होता है, but only in the form of iron fillings. So it can be burned by strong heating, but only in the form of iron fillings. Zinc burns only on strong heating, where iron does not burn in the form of rod or block, but it burns in the form of fillings only. Now we will come on this metal, that is copper. So afterwards copper's number is there. Copper does not burn on heating. Copper कभी heat करने के बाद burn नहीं होता है, but blister copper burns. Blister copper means again the powder copper. Copper का powder होता है, it can be burned like iron. After that we will talk about these two metals, silver and gold. आपको इतने ही metals है जितने मैंने आपको point out किए हैं. After that you will have silver and gold. What about silver and gold? Silver and gold do not react with oxygen, that we know. Even at high temperatures also, they will not react with oxygen. Hence, the order of reactors with oxygen is the first method. The first metal is, you can see here, the first metal is potassium, sodium, then calcium. ये जो है पोटेशियम सोडियम, ये एयर में फायर कैच करेंगे बिकॉज दे आर हाईली रिएक्टिव. मैग्नीशियम एल्यूमिनियम के बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया. दे कैन burn by heating only. About zinc, it can be burned by strong heating. About iron rods and iron blocks will not be burned easily. Iron fillings can be burned by strong heating. After that we talk about copper. Copper also cannot be burned by strong heating. Only blister copper can be burned by strong heating. And about these two metals, silver and gold, these are the last metals. Silver and gold do not react with oxygen even at high temperatures also. Okay, and hence the order of reactivity of these metals with oxygen is this: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, copper, silver and gold. Please note this reactivity, sequence of reactivity. Okay, now we will turn towards the reactivity towards the water. Now we will talk about the reactivity of metals towards the water. So I will show you some diagrams. This is the first diagram about the reactivity with the oxygen. ये हमने डिस्कस किया पोटेशियम एंड सोडियम का reactivity with the oxygen. Okay, it is highly flammable due to its highly reactive nature. Now this reaction you can see, in this reaction what do you have? In this reaction, here you can see the metal, potassium metal. This is the water, H2O. If you will add this metal into this glass, it will catch fire. You can see here, it will catch fire. So, and why? Because of it is highly reactive. That metal is highly reactive. Okay, how will it be catch fire? Let me explain you. In this reaction you can see here, potassium will be react with water. You can see this reaction, potassium will be react with water. It will form alkali. This is what the alkali. Alkali means potassium hydroxide. OH है ना, means base आया यहाँ पे. So this is base, this is alkali, potassium hydroxide, and simultaneously it will form, it will evolve hydrogen gas. If you can see here, it will evolve hydrogen gas as well as heat. It will evolve hydrogen gas as well as heat. यहाँ पे आपको effervescence दिख रहा होगा. This one, effervescence. Effervescence means evaporation of gas. Again, you can see the diagram properly. Potassium, water, and can see the fire. Fire, here you can see the fire. Okay. Due to its highly reactive nature, the potassium will also catch the fire with H2O molecule, means with the water. अब ये कैसे होता है? Let me explain you. When potassium you will add in water, it will produce hydrogen. You can see here. But along with the hydrogen, simultaneously it will release heat. It will release heat, and therefore it is exothermic reaction. We have talked about exothermic in the previous lesson. Chemical reaction में हमने exothermic के बारे में देखा है. What is exothermic reaction? Exothermic reaction is the reaction in which heat is evolved. The reaction in which heat is evolved. Okay, and this heat is sufficient for this hydrogen to catch fire. यहाँ पे fire catch कौन करता है? ये जो hydrogen produce हुआ है ना यहाँ पे, this hydrogen will catch fire due to heat. Due to this heat, and this heat is sufficient for hydrogen to catch the fire. ये reason आपको समझना चाहिए कि why it will catch a fire in the water. If the same diagram, if the same reaction I would have explained you by orally or on board, might be you would forgot it. आप ये भूल जाते हैं, लेकिन ये diagram आपकी हमेशा याद रहेगी, इसलिए मैंने आपको ये diagram दिखाई. I will show you actual result when the potassium will react with water. I will show you actual result. Please see here. The next diagram. This is. Yes, this is the potassium, purple color. Okay. तो ये जो डायग्राम में आपने यहाँ पे ये पोटेशियम देखा है ना, ये वाला पोटेशियम है के दिखाया है मैंने यहाँ पे. ये यही रिएक्शन है. ये जो ग्लास दिख रहा है आपको, ये ग्लास एक्चुअल कैसे दिखेगा? दिस ग्लास आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू इन दिस डायग्राम. चेक हियर. It will catch a fire in this way. You can observe heat also, evaporation, heat evaporation, steam evaporation. You can observe here, and therefore this reaction is known as exothermic. This reaction is known as exothermic due to evaporation or evolving or releasing heat. Who will catch fire? That potassium will catch fire by the help of what? By the help of hydrogen, जो reaction में ही produce हुआ है. Because this heat is sufficient for hydrogen to catch fire. I hope you must be understand this reaction. And the next diagram is about sodium with water. The same diagram, the same reaction. If you will keep sodium inside the water, okay, suppose this is the sodium metal, and if you will keep sodium metal inside the water, it will catch fire like this. The reason is same. Can you see the splash splash effect here. You can see this, the splash effect. Okay, why? Because again, the heat is produced, which is sufficient for hydrogen to catch fire. And why these things are happening? These things are happening due to its highly reactivity. Due to its highly reactivity. I hope you must have understood all the concepts. So we talked about potassium and sodium. I show you potassium and sodium. If you will ask me about calcium, the third metal is calcium. You can see here. When the calcium you will react with water, it will not catch fire easily, like as compared to sodium and potassium. जैसे पोटेशियम एंड सोडियम ने फायर कैच किया है अभी वाटर के साथ, वैसे कैल्शियम का नहीं होगा. Why? Because its reactivity nature, less reactivity nature than potassium and sodium. Now come back to the point. So this is the actual reactivity of metals with oxygen. This is about oxygen. Metals reactivity with oxygen. Now what about water? In water also you will see the same, but with the water you have some extra metals. Sodium, first potassium, then sodium. After sodium you have calcium. Please write this reactivity sequence. After that calcium. After calcium we saw magnesium, then aluminium, then iron, Fe. Iron. After iron, lead, copper, silver, gold. Lead, I will write here Pb. इसके बाद मैं यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ copper, then silver, then gold, Au. These are the metals reactivity with water. You should learn all these things. These all metals reactivity sequence with oxygen, and these all metals reactivity sequence with water. इस पे ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आ सकते हैं. Now write the heading. After that you will write the heading. Now come back to the reaction point. अब reaction बताती हूँ. Metal plus first reaction हमारा metal का किसके साथ था? Oxygen. Metal plus oxygen, it will produce metal oxide. Now we will come on the second. Metal plus water. Metal plus water, it will form alkali or metal hydroxide. Metal OH बनाता है ना वो metal hydroxide. Metal hydroxide plus hydrogen plus heat. Heat मैंने आपको दिखाई जैसे evolve होती है, वो heat भी आपको यहाँ पे दिखा रही है. Because you are using metals like potassium, sodium, and calcium. These three metals I am going to show you under this. These three metals can be dissolved in water. Okay. Yesterday we talked about solubility of metals with water. ये हमने एक टॉपिक कल डिस्कस किया था. And I told you, generally metals are insoluble in water. Generally metals are insoluble in water, but some metals are there: potassium, sodium, and calcium. Some metals are there like these three metals. We are going to see the reaction of these three metals with water, जो highly flammable है. So let us see the reaction. First reaction, I will select the metal K, potassium. When the potassium will react with water, when potassium will react with water, it will form KOH. KOH. But simultaneously, it will form hydrogen gas and heat. Simultaneously, it will produce hydrogen gas and heat. So let us balance the reaction.